Hello everybody, today I'm in Heathrow, flying out from London back to Germany. I'm really surprised that this airport is completely empty. There is not a lot of planes taking off or coming down. Everybody's crazy about this bloody stupid media campaign of this coronavirus, because I do not understand this at all. And actually, the coronavirus is not coming from China, it is coming from Italy. Google Corona. Corona is a city north of Venice. So who has done it? The Chinese, the Italian, the European, or the Americans? It will not help the markets. Airlines are going bankrupt, Flybe has made insolvency. A lot of companies are coming out. My hotel was completely empty. The airport is empty. Shops are empty. People cannot buy anything anymore because everything is gone. So what we are doing here, I don't understand. It's completely out of my brain. I'm very sorry. So more people are dying on heart attack. More people are dying on a stroke. More people are dying on AIDS. More people are dying on other diseases, or even on hunger in Africa, in other countries. So why we are talking about this flu? I don't know. We will see. It helps the Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin price is going up and up and up. Yeah? The dollar is going down. The stock market is going down. Everything is going down. So stay tuned. I will report shortly.